Locally, everything was perfect. Database connected, API running, all smooth. Then I deployed it to production, and everything broke. Today, we're going to fix that. Step by step, we're going to take a full stack app and host it live on Hostinger VPS. So I'm inside Cursor right now, and if you look at the root directory, you'll see 4 to 5 things. We've got a backend folder. This is where the server is configured, routes are set up, all of that. Then we have the frontend folder, which has quite a bit going on inside. Now we also have 2 Docker files, one for the backend, one for the frontend. We made these just in case we ever need to build Docker images separately. But the most important file is this one right here, the Docker Compose file. We'll get into the details in a bit, but for now just remember, this is the file that runs the whole show. Let me give you a quick demo of what this app actually does. So the front end looks like this. Oh wait, there's an error. Right, our backend isn't running yet. Let me start that up. Okay, now let's refresh. There we go, front end is up. So this is basically a calorie and hydration tracker. You can create an account, update your profile, log your meals, track your water intake, and view your calorie and hydration trends over time. Pretty clean app. For the database, we're using Prisma with PostgreSQL. Here's the Prisma dashboard. You can see all the tables we've created. Everything's set up and running locally. I've already pushed this project to GitHub. You can go check it out, fork it, make changes, whatever you want. Now let's talk about the most important file, the Docker Compose file. This is where all the magic happens. We've defined 3 containers in here. First one is the database container. It'll be called calorie-db. Second is the backend container, with all our backend config. And third is the frontend container, called calorie-frontend. That's literally it. 3 containers, 1 file. This is all we need to deploy the entire app. For deployment, we're going to use Hostinger VPS. And the great thing about Hostinger is they make it ridiculously simple to get an app live. Plus, there are sales running pretty regularly, so you can grab a machine at a solid price. Here's how the setup works. Click on Get VPS, pick a server location close to you, and then choose what you want installed. Operating system, Docker, control panel, whatever. There's a lot of options. I'm going to install Docker. Set a password, pick your plan, pay, and boom. You've got your own machine. I've already purchased mine, so let me jump to my dashboard. Click on Manage, and you'll see an overview, your application info, OS details, all of that. Now click on Docker Manager, and this is where you can manage and deploy your projects. You can deploy either manually or directly from a GitHub repo. We're going with the GitHub repo approach. All you need to do is paste your GitHub repo URL or your Docker Compose file URL, and Hostinger will automatically fetch all the details. Super clean. I'll copy the link of our Docker Compose file, paste it here, and it pulls everything in automatically. I've also already set all the environment variables in the code that our server needs, so we're good to go. Hit deploy. This is going to take a moment, so let me fast forward this a bit. Okay, the app is deployed. All 3 containers are in a running state. If we check the logs, no errors in the backend, database is created and running, and the front-end container is live too. Let's quickly test it. Everything we did in local development, we can do it all here too. The only difference is, this time, the app is online. Now there's also a manual deployment option. You click Compose manually, give your app a name, add the necessary containers, and deploy. I actually got an error here because I didn't configure the container properly, but you get the idea. It's totally doable. That's it. Just grab your Docker Compose file, paste the URL, and your app is live. Easy. By the way, a big thank you to Hostinger for sponsoring this video. If you're looking to grab a VPS or any other hosting service from Hostinger, use the code 2minutespie to get an extra 10% off. Links in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.